This is what I think about these two brands of oatmeal. Hello lovelies, this is Tips with Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'm going to be making oatmeal fufu swallow. And this is the type of oats that I'll be using. Actually, this is my first time using this type of oats. I normally use the regular oats that we all know, the one in the tin, packaged in the tin. So this time around, I decided to try out this one to see how it will turn out. And over here, this is how it looks like straight from the package. It's almost the same thing with the other one. The texture and the look is the same with the other one. So now I'm going to transfer it into my coffee grinder to get a smooth flour texture. So that's basically what I'm going to do now. I'm going to blend the oatmeal to get a powder form into a powder form, sorry. So I'm using this medium to appreciate all my returning subscribers for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you so much. And if this is your first time coming across my channel, kindly join my family by clicking on the subscribe button below. And also turn on your notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I upload new videos. As you can see, I've blended the first batch. So I'm going to do the same to the rest of the oats so that until I get the quantity that I'm looking for. Here we go. I'm done blending and this is how it looks like. Very smooth and ready to make fufu out of this. Sorry guys, I lost some clips from this video. What I did before this was just bring water to a boil. After heating up the water, I added the oat flour into the water, then I turn it very well, just like the way you would turn any type of fufu. Then after that, I covered it to simmer for some minutes. And here is how it looks like after leaving it for some minutes. Here we go, my oats fufu is ready. As I said earlier, this is the first time I'm using this particular type of oatmeal for fufu, but the other one I've used it before. And my thought about these two brands is that I don't see any difference in it. They all look the same. The texture, the look, everything is the same. And I think we get the same nutrients from both oats. They are all oats, as we all know. So over here is the end result of my fufu. You see how soft it looks like. Very healthy and low in carbs. So guys, let me know in the comment section below, have you ever used this type of oatmeal before, and also the other one, and let me know what do you think about these two brands. Thank you all for watching today's video. Till I come your way next time, stay blessed, stay safe, and bye bye.